Hi guys. You may have seen my short I made on this and these cards that I'm making. So I watched this girl's channel. Wait, I gotta get it up. Hold on. I'm gonna pause. Okay, I had to pause it so I could find it. Her name is Monica Trinidad, and her video was called How to Make Art for Social Change. And she literally made this exact same thing. So I copied it. And I decided I'm going to also make cards, sell them, and give all the 100% of the proceeds to this LGBTQIA group that I'm a member of called the Human Rights Campaign. And every time I get little extra money, I do like give them a contribution or okay, so this mug, this not mug, this water jug right here, that's from them. I gave them, I don't know, I think it was $45, and I got this really cool water cup, juice cup, whatever you want to put in it. So I decided if you guys want to buy any of them, I'm going to make some on these colors. They'll be $5. And the ones that are on white paper, because this paper is way better paper, they'll be $10. Or a donation, say $7 or whatever you want to give, and then all that money will get will be sent to the Human Rights Campaign. And yeah, so I thought I'd just make a couple on here, and yeah, I just thought it was like super cool what they did, and it was literally the exact same thing. Solidarity makes the empire tremble. And I just thought, that is so cool. And it's not like I'm making money from it. I'm actually, because it's, Pride Month. So this is like my own contribution, even though it wasn't my idea. But anyway, so let's do, so I'm going to use these, right? I got blue, I get yellow. I don't think yellow is going to come out good, even on the white paper though. Red and black, and these are so pigmented. This is like the most pigmented inks I've ever seen, ever. So let's see. Put a little bit out, I guess. I'm gonna do it on this paper first. Oh, I wonder what color I want to use. I got a bunch of different colors. Maybe pretty. I'm gonna do the orange. This orange. Alright. Okay, anyway. First I'm going to take my little roller thing and spread it out on this glass. This is glass on top of the cutting board. I didn't put the ink on the cutting board. And it's really thick ink. There it goes. I got like a bald spot here. I can't seem to. Maybe? I don't know why it's not. Alright, that's very, very weird to me. This is a speedball roller. This is like the real good kind, but for some reason it's not getting ink on this spot. I wonder why. Well, I'm just hoping that spot don't. I'll just roll it a couple times. You know what I mean? Okay. Well, touch it. Touch it. All right. Oh. I really want to get the ink anywhere. Okay. Oh, I should explain how I made this also. Boom! It looks so good. Hold on. Ta-ta. It looks so good. I feel like I'm not set up real good though. I'm really strange with ink, or with stuff that's really, really like messy. I get so messy from it. Anyway, so let me show you how I made this. All right, wait. Let me find it. I thought I put it aside so I wouldn't. That's weird. I thought I put it somewhere so I wouldn't I've lost it. Now I gotta go find it. Like usually when I've made, hold on, I'm getting it. When I've made ink stamps, and I try to do letters, this happens every time, I end up doing it backwards. Right? So I write MEG, right in a row, and instead of doing it backwards. Now, I can't write cursive writing, right? I don't even know how to write cursive writing. And to have done that good, you know I had a trick. So it took me a while to figure it out. But see these things? I have a whole bunch of them, right? Never really use them. I just have them. I don't even know where they came from, to be honest. And I took each one of these, and I took one, I took a letter off, and then I put it on the glass, right? Here. I put it on the glass. And I did all that until I wrote that whole thing out. And then I was able to take ink like this, and then I rubbed it on the letters after I put all the letters down onto the glass. I put ink on that, and then I stamped it on top of the stamp, right? Oh my God, I couldn't believe that it worked that good. I was so happy. And then it took me all day to get all that. I mean, literally, it took me probably 7 hours, 8 hours to get all that stuff off there. Let's see. Okay. To dig all of it out. Because I have a pretty cool little kit. I have, one handle, and then it's got all kinds of different size little nibs to cut the plastic off. Shoot. It took me all day. Literally, all day long to do that. And then also, I wanted to tell you guys that I made a video painting this picture. Oh, that one didn't come out as good. I don't know why. Maybe I didn't have enough good ink on it. So anyway, I made this video painting a picture. It was like a really long video, right? But I had like background sound in it, YouTube going on in the background, and I went to post it, and I instantly got a hit with a what do you call it? Copyright. And it's not like a strike, it's more like a copyright warning or something, like, I wasn't allowed to do that or whatever. But I'm like, I didn't know that just listening to something in the background would have done that, because like I was like not, I mean, it happened with music once. Maybe it was because there was music. There's a lot of videos going on throughout that whole time I was recording. But I wasn't talking about the video. I wasn't doing any of that. I was just having it in the background while I was doing the painting. And so I didn't put the painting up. I'm not done the painting even. It's one of the Vogue paintings I was doing. All right, please let this one be better. Okay. Okay. Oh, that's a lot better. Okay. So anyway, I can get 3 of them on one sheet. That's not bad. And on these, let's see, Let me put that over there to dry. All right. Then on this paper, I can only get 2. And this paper is watercolor paper. It's not the super expensive watercolor paper. It is Artist Loft, but it's a 3rd level. And it is really good. But I just thought, to make it a little bit more money if you wanted a white one. And what I'll do is I'm going to mail them out like a postcard. Wish there was a better way to do this. Okay, hold on. Okay. Boom. That's so messy. This stuff is so pigmented. Like, I mean, really, really pigmented. So yeah, I'm gonna mail them out like a postcard. And I'll put your address on the back, and then I'm gonna mail them all out. So if you want one, go to my email address at Megadose, the Outsider Artist with the number 1 at gmail.com. Or if you are a part of my Facebook, you can DM me with your address and then I'll give you the information on where to how to pay me the couple dollars that you want to. So look how pretty that looks on the white. It comes out really, really nice. So anyway, what was I gonna say? What was I saying? Jesus. Anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna mail them out like postcards and stuff. Oh yes, was I finished my thought here? Okay, so if you're on my Facebook, just DM me, and I'll mail. Oh, so yeah, the donation part. So again, I want like maybe $5 for the orange, pink, purple, green, whatever. And if you want a specific color mixture, I'll do that too. That'll be like $5 asking price. But if you only want to pay me, say, $1, that would be fine too. But 100% of the proceeds are going to the Human Rights Campaign. Or maybe I'll try to find some kind of link and put it in the description, or in the where you can make comments in the comment section, because I'm sometimes better at doing it that way, because I think people will see the comments over the description. Also, I do have a website. Go to my website and buy some of my paintings, guys. And all the prices on there are negotiable. All right. Ta-ta! Man, that looks good. I like it. I don't want to touch them too much because I got ink on my hands. God. Beautiful, right? Yeah. All right. So, yeah. And I'm asking $10 a piece for the white ones because they're on better paper. But, that's just an asking price. I don't care if you want to give me $2 for them. I'll give it's like a Cash App. Cash App information, and then you can send me that, and then I'll mail it off to you postcard wise. Boop. And then all your money goes to help the LGBT community of people that and they're pretty cool. I've been a member of the Human Rights Campaign since 2021. They send me stickers that look like a little equal sign. That's like I have a shirt. Do I have anything else? I don't know if I have anything else. But anyway, yeah, they give their money to help the community, and that's why I really, really like them. All their money. It's not like, oh, well, most of it's going to our president and CEO of the company. Like, none of that's happening. So that's cool. Because I used to give money to people like, oh, I don't even want to say, to be honest with you. But they turned out to be not great. I've given money to other places that are great too, like Earth First, Earth Liberation Front, Crime Think, Human Rights Campaign. They're the ones I like. Earth Liberation Front, not anymore. That's a while ago. That was a long time ago. But anyway, yeah. That looks real pretty on that. Oh, let me get closer. Does not look like really, really pretty. The color of that blue on this orange. That's beautiful. Oh yeah, I'm gonna find some more of these colors. So yeah, I have all the colors. Let me get the besides the white. I'm getting it. It's cardstock. It's not just, it's not just like crappy paper. It is cardstock. Can you see where it says cardstock? And it's got all these colors. So if you want, say, a blue with black or a pink with yellow. I mean, I don't think the yellow is going to come out very well. It's got to be. I don't even know if it'll come out real good on the white, to be honest with you. But it could. I don't know. I might make a couple and see. But yeah. Anyway, that's what I'm doing today. I'm going to be making a bunch of these, and yeah. So the information would be in the description, or if it's not in the description, I'm going to put it in the comments. All right. Bye, guys. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.